Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
Billions of brood X cicadas that look like this will be emerging from the ground in 15 U.S. states in May and June of 2021, and making a lot of noise. The brood X cicadas have been hiding underground for a very long time, 17 years, to be exact.
Take our lead.
Their lifespan is 4 to 6 weeks, and they will start to die off in late June into July. The nymphs, however, will be hibernating and maturing for the next 17 years. We'll see brood X again in 2038.
Let's help you make your mark.
In parts of Virginia, West Virginia and North Carolina, cicadas will climb out of the ground for their once-in-17-year mating cycle. Scientists have dubbed this grouping brood X. As summer nears, 2020 has another trick up its sleeve.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.